For over 2 years, we have been telling you to live colorfully. But what does that really mean? Let's talk about it, shall we? Hi, I'm Kim from Bandbox, and today we're going to discuss Live Colourfully. Live Colourfully was born of the idea that every color offers a unique emotional experience. It is a lifestyle of choosing positive emotion, optimism, passion, appreciation, love, embracing your quirkiness as a part of your unique charm, and of course, experiencing the freedom that comes with the unconventional. At Bandbox, our goal is to use this blueprint to create products and services that will help you unleash your personal power to creative self-expression and awaken your bliss. As a designer, I love mixing things up, and you're a creative person with a desire to be bold and express your individuality, and I'm extremely passionate about creating avenues to help you to continue to do that in every aspect of your life. Take our signature mood cords, for example. The mood cord started off as a fabric necklace, right? But when I designed it, I always knew that I wanted it to be a really versatile piece, something that you would have the freedom to wear in any way that you can imagine. So to this day, when some people see a necklace that would elevate an otherwise simple look, some people have worn it on the hip, off their shoulder, even on their head as a hair accessory. Let's face it, the basis of everything that we desire is to connect with our bliss, to be happy. Our experience with and our expression of color can connect us to that feeling. Think about it. How do you feel when you see somebody wearing unconventional colored pants versus black or blue? How do you feel when you see somebody wearing a bright red shirt versus maybe a gray, right? What about black lipstick versus sheer lip gloss, or French tips versus purple nail polish? Whether you realize it or not, color has impacted your perception of things for most of your life. Living colorfully is about using your imagination and expressing yourself in a creative way. Whether you express it through your personal style, the way you organize your home, sewing, cooking, cleaning, okay, maybe not cleaning, but drawing, painting, etc. Spending time doing something beautiful and making yourself happy matters. The essence of creativity comes from your soul, and when you feel that urge, you feel happy. You feel proud that you took the jump. You feel proud that you made something. Proud that you went against your fears of not doing it, out of your comfort zone, to find your bliss. I am extremely excited to take you on this journey as we continue to create. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram at thebandboxofficial.com, subscribe to us on YouTube, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think. I'm really excited to hear your feedback. Until next time, live colorfully.
Better.
We good like up to eat our food.
It's 16 by 19.
For over 2 years. And let's do that again.